I love it when a super tasty meal comes together in less than 30 minutes, and salt and pepper shrimp is one of those recipes. So start off by mixing cornstarch with mushroom powder, salt, sugar, and black pepper, and whisk them all together. Pat dry your shrimp with paper towel, then add it to the cornstarch mix and tossing it, making sure to thoroughly coat the shrimp. Then you're gonna deep fry the shrimp for around 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know when the shrimp is cooked when it turns a nice orange color. Make sure not to overcrowd your shrimp and never fill your pot more than halfway with oil. So you're gonna do this in several batches. Then prepare your aromatics by chopping up 1 large shallot and then chopping 6 garlic cloves and 1 jalapeno sliced. If you don't like it super spicy, then you can remove the seeds from the jalapeno. Now, if you love bell peppers, I would recommend using 1 red bell pepper and cutting them up into strips. I'm actually not a big fan of bell peppers, so I'm not including them in my recipe, but you can certainly add them. Cut your green onions into 1-inch pieces. Then in a wok on medium-high heat, add a 1/4 cup oil and stir fry the shallots, garlic, jalapeno, and bell pepper until fragrant, which is a couple of minutes. Then add the green onions and stir fry for 30 seconds. Then you're going to add the fried shrimp to the wok and toss and mix with the aromatics for 30 seconds. And it is ready to serve. This is super high in protein. You can eat it with vegetables and or steamed rice. Cheers!